Hi there everyone, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the screen on Samsung Galaxy A53. Sorry about my mess, don't care, I'll do a fast video. Okay, this is the customer screen. You can see screen is broken and this is the new screen. Okay, we will start the work. First take a metal prior tool like this and remove this back glass. What you can do, you can put the prior like this and take all the way out and remove the back glass. I have already taken it out. It's not that difficult, very easy. And then you can see there are screws here. Remove all the screws and then take off this cover and also take off this cover. Before taking off the screw, just remove the SIM card tray from here, from the bottom. Now take out this part and take out this part, and then you remove the battery connector first, and then you need to transfer all of them to the new housing, all these bits and pieces. So I just disconnect this cable, and this is the fingerprint, and all of them we need to disconnect and take this cable out. And there are two screws here, and also there is one screw here. Remove all of them, and after that take the motherboard out, and there are two cables running here. Carefully pry them and take this board out and transfer all of them to the new screen housing. And also you can put something like this here and pry out the battery and transfer it to the new housing. So I'm going to do that and I'll come back again. So I have now taken the motherboard and the daughter board. This is charger port daughter board, and this is the motherboard with everything. I take it out, and now you can see there is the fingerprint sensor. You can take it out like this, and then you need to take the vibrator from here, take it out, and also you need to take out the earpiece. So now next we have to take the battery out and transfer them to the new housing. When you take the battery, use a pry tool like this and then take one side up. After that, put something like here and take it around and take the battery out. You need to be very careful when you take the battery out. If something go and touch this one, this can burn. So therefore try to use safety measures like this to take out the battery. Now this is the new screen, so everything go back to the new screen. So I first put the battery, keep it in place, and then we have to take the vibrator and the earpiece, keep in place, keep it in right place, and then we put back the fingerprint sensor, keep it in place, and then we put the motherboard back carefully, keep it in place, so this is the screen connector, and you need to take this one out from here. Yes, and then keep the screen connector like this, and you align them. Finally you connect the charger port and the display cable, and here your fingerprint sensor, and this cable need to be connected and they need to be put in place correctly, and then connect the battery. And then all other parts we took before gonna go back like this. And the speaker, this is the speaker, it should go back, put it back in place. Like this. Now put back all these screws, and remember before that there was a black screw here and two other black screw here. You need to put them back, and then we have now connected everything, put everything back, and also now we can put our SIM card tray here, and now we will do a screen test. Yeah, it's turning on, and then we remove this layer. After that, we apply glue all around, and then we put back the back housing. That's all, very simple and easy. I think this will be useful for you guys. Okay, now we do the screen testing. Screen is perfectly working fine. I hope this video will be useful for you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.